motion moved. There is one amendment by Dr. V. Sivadasan for reference of Indian Courts Bill 2025 to a select committee of the Rajya Sabha. Honorable members, sub-rule 2 of Rule 72 of the Rules and Procedure and Conduct of Business, the Council of States Rajya Sabha stipulates that no member shall be appointed to a select committee if he is not willing to serve on the committee, and that the mover of the motion that the bill is referred to a select committee shall ascertain whether a member proposed to be named by him is willing to serve on the committee. I presume that the honourable member has, while submitting his notice of motion for referring the bill to the select committee, complied with the requirements of Rule 72(2). Member may move the amendment at this stage without any speech. Dr. V. Sivadasan, are you moving your amendment? Dr. V. Sivadasan, are you moving your amendment?
Sir, here only yes, sir.
Is the amendment moved or not?
Sir, only this SIR
no,
is the
this
issue.
Is not
so
going on record.
like
Amendment is moved or not? Are you moving amendment? Are you moving amendment? Are you moving amendment?
Sir,
are you moving amendment, honourable member? I will come, honourable member.
SIR is
no, you're not moving, not moved.
Sir.
Honorable LOP, I am going to, please, everyone go to your places. Honorable LOP, before I give you the floor, any matter, as you are aware, which is under the rules of this House, any matter which is sub judice or is part of the judicial process right now cannot be taken on record. And second, anything, and just 1 minute, and anything that is not part of the listed business will not go on record. Just giving that clarity. Honorable LOP, the floor is yours.
You are a supreme authority.
Honorable LOP.
You are our guardian. Sir, मतदान का हक हमको संविधान ने दिया है, उसको छीन लेने का किसी का अधिकार नहीं है। और इलेक्शन कमीशन हमको धमका रही है और डरा रही है और ये कह रही है आप एफिडेविट दो। हमने एफिडेविट दिया है।
This is not going on record. I'm sorry, this is not going on record. Please, microphone.
Yeah, एक मिनट। हाँ, सर, हमको अगर इलेक्शन कमीशन धमकाती है, डराती है।
You see, this is not going on record. No, this is not part of the bill. This is not part of the bill. This is not part of the bill. It will not go on record. This is not go on record. This is not part of the bill. This is not going to go on record. This is not part of the bill. Honorable LOP, you're aware of it. It's not going on record. Honorable LOH. Honorable LOH. Honorable LOH. Honorable LOH. Please, everyone, in your seats. In your seats. Honorable LOH, only this going on record. No one else is going on record. Silence in the House, please. Please, silence in the House. Honorable LOH is on his legs. Honorable LOH is on his legs.
Sir,
Honorable LOH will only go on record. Let us have silence in the House, please.
मैं अपनी बात रिपीट करता हूं। 21 जुलाई को जब सत्र शुरू हुआ था, तब मैंने बड़े स्पष्ट शब्दों में कहा था कि यह सरकार
प्लीज
नियम संगत whatever is permitted in the rules, this government under the dynamic leadership of Prime Minister Modi is ready to have discussion on any subject which can be taken.
If you have to leave, please leave silently. Thank you, Honorable LOH.
Time and again, the chair has given the ruling that the issue which they wanted to raise cannot be raised according to the rules of business as set by, and it has been expressed by you and by the chair many times. They have got no interest in discussion, and I would like to bring on record.
Let's have order in the House.
That they have wasted.
Let's have order in the House.
69 hours, 1 minute of this House. 69 hours have been wasted because of the way they have been behaving. This irresponsible behavior of the opposition, the country seeing, देश देख रहा है, और हम ये बताना चाहते हैं कि इनको कोई भी चर्चा में रुचि नहीं है। ये सिर्फ, मैंने पहले भी कहा, एनार्किज्म में, ऑब्स्ट्रक्शनिज्म में, इनका विश्वास है। जितनी भी इनकी भर्त्सना की जाए वो कम है। मैं यहाँ फिर से हाउस के माध्यम से देश को बताना चाहता हूं कि हम सभी मुद्दों पर चर्चा करने के लिए तैयार हैं। जो इस नियमावली और नियमों के तहत आता है उस पर चर्चा होगी। हमने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर की बात कही थी, हमने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर पर चर्चा की और वो सारी बारीकियों पर चर्चा की और इनको मुंह की खानी पड़ी। इनके समझ में आया और ये किस तरीके से पार्टी का विरोध करते करते देश का विरोध करने लगे हैं। यहां आज आपने उनको परमिशन दी, लीडर ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन, कहते हैं कि लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन को बोलने नहीं दिया था। आपने बोलने के पहले बताया कि आप अगर सब्जेक्ट पर बोलेंगे जिसके लिए परमिशन दी गई है आपको परमिशन मिलेगी। आपने कहा कि कोई भी उससे बाहर की बात होगी तो वो ऑन रिकॉर्ड नहीं जाएगी। मैं चाहूंगा कि जो इन्होंने बातचीत की वह विषय से जुड़ी हुई नहीं थी जिस पर चर्चा चल रही थी और इन्होंने गलत तरीके से मौके का फायदा उठाया। वो एक्सपंज भी होना चाहिए, रिकॉर्ड से बाहर भी होना चाहिए। इस बात को हमको ध्यान रखना चाहिए।
As I already ruled before Honorable LOP started.
ऐसे ही तमाम बड़ी खबरों से जुड़े रहने के लिए हमारे YouTube चैनल TSW न्यूज़ हिंदी को सब्सक्राइब करें। वीडियो को लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें।